Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. So how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues? The first thing that you need to do is to unpair them from your phone. Of course, if you don't have them paired, you need to just restart your phone, but if you do have them paired but you can't connect, you need to unpair them. Then of course you start your phone. Turn it off for, I'd say, don't use the feature called restart. Turn your phone off for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. When it comes to your headphones, you need to perform a factory reset. If you want to know how to perform a factory reset, check our channel because we have a video for that. So after this, you'll be able to use your headphones correctly without any problems. If you still can't connect to your earbuds, you need to try charging them up to 100%. After charging them, check if it works. If it doesn't want to work, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Bye!